Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Astia Manda. I'm student of SMA Negeri 1 Singkang Kanan. At the moment, I would like to introduce one of the tourist attraction in Aceh Singkil. Do you know Aceh Singkil, guys? Aceh Singkil is one of the districts in Aceh Province, Indonesia. It is division of South Aceh Regency and Pradesh territory in the Gunung Leuser National Park area. This regency also consists of two regions, namely the mainland and the island. Because of this condition, its over million houses is unique natural beauty, which is suitable for spending weekend time. One of the places that can use to spend vacation of time with beautiful and natural view on Aceh Singkil is Asop Island. It is a cluster of Pulau Banyak. It is uninhabited island and is not moving itself is prolonged from south to north. Its beauty really spoils the air with white and soft sand. Its water is perfect and clear. So we can see the complex is such as sea stars, small wings, and coral reefs. With this condition, Asop Island is very suitable as camping site. However, because this island is uninhabited as previously mentioned, we are expressed to be more independent and careful people. So this island is a safe island for carrying activities, whether for camping activities or sightseeing. When we are on Asop Island, we can do many activities such swimming, snorkeling, diving. If you want to make photos with natural beauty or memorable like pre-wedding photos, you can do it in Asop Island. Okay guys. Okay guys, that's all I can tell you about Asop Island. If you interested in visiting and enjoying it, coming and having fun guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye guys.